Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So in this video I'll be unboxing a bunch of things that I have for my new summer collection coming on the 9th of May. Forgive me for this like weird intro that I'm still doing. I'm gonna be working on getting like a proper intro done for my channel. I've just been really busy and I have a new collection coming up, so hopefully maybe like midsummer, like June time, I would have like a proper intro for you guys. So the first thing I'm unboxing today is my lip gloss tubes. I will be bringing back lip glosses and possibly lip oils. So these tubes are so cute. I got the ones with like a heart shape on them. It fits perfectly with my brand and my aesthetics, because I tend to use a lot of heart shape stuff or just as part of my logo. Also, I made sure I got like a doe foot applicator. There are different types of applicators, but this specific type of doe foot applicator is like the best because you always get your money's worth in a way. Like it reaches all the way down to the bottom of the tube, so you're definitely gonna go a long way with the product. And I just feel like he applies really well, so that's what I went for. And I obviously had it printed on with my logo and a little bit about, you know, a lip product thing on it. So yeah, I also got the tubes in with a pink lid. I do have other colors that I will be releasing later on in the year, but for the summer I'm going with the pink lid tubes. So yeah, here I'm just pretty much counting everything, making sure I've got the right amount of each color and stuff like that. And also for me to make lip glosses or lip oils, I also need a lip gloss base. So that's what I am unboxing next. So I got these like liquid color changing lip oil pigment that I also wanted to try out and use in my products. I didn't get a huge amount. I only got like, I think it's about 100 mils in there, because I knew I wasn't going to be making like hundreds of color changing lip glosses, so I just wanted a sample. But I'm now considering whether or not I should sell these color changing lip oil pigments. If that's something you would be interested in, let me know. Obviously it is a liquid product, so that limits where I can ship this product to. But yeah, I just tested it out a little bit on my arm and literally it started moving around and it's already started changing color, so I just had to wipe it off a little bit, and it was only on for like a couple of seconds before I wiped it off. So definitely if I'd left it on for longer, it would have been more of like a reddish pink color. So definitely it's a very good product. So yeah, that's it about my liquid oil pigment. Let me know if you're interested in something like that anyway. Now onto the actual lip gloss bases themselves. I actually used to sell lip gloss bases as well, so I did get a huge amount of that, and I am considering I will definitely be selling that. So if that's something you're interested in as well, it will be on my website in the lip care section for the lip gloss bases. This base is really thick. It was okay to open this bucket, actually. It wasn't too hard, because lip gloss buckets tend to be a nightmare, but this one had like a little clip on. I just cut it off with a pair of scissors, and then I took off the rubber plastic wrapped part of it, and then yeah, it was easy to take off. But yeah, lip gloss bases are really thick. This one specifically, I've had other ones in the past from TKB Trading. This is my first time using a different type of lip gloss base. So this one is a little bit thicker than the TKB one I've had in the past. So I hope that's a good thing. I do think that's a good thing because now I've actually tested it a few times. But yeah, this is what they look like, and yeah, I will be selling them wholesale for I think starting from like 200 mils, 300, possibly 500 mils. I'm not too sure about 1 liter lip gloss bases yet, and I'm not sure that's something that people would be interested in to buy that much in one go. But yeah, I will be able to ship that mainly in the UK and EU. I will not be able to ship it anywhere else other than the EU because it is also considered a liquid product, so it's very weird if it like causes problem in transit, so I don't want to have to do that. So yeah, the next thing I'm unboxing are my new lotion container. You know, it's summertime, we love our lotion smoothies over here, so definitely we're making that a priority in the summertime because body butters can melt in the summer. So that's why body butters are more of like a winter product for me, or year-round products, but not very good for summer. So I got these pink and white lotion containers. I've had them in the past before, but I got the new ones. I think my customers love the pink. Not too sure about the white because the last collection I did with the white lotion containers didn't go so well. So yeah, and I also wanted to upgrade the ingredients list on my lotion containers, which I have done here. So yeah, these lotion containers do not they have everything in there, and I am no longer using almond oil in any of my skincare products because of allergies. So I'm staying away from tree nut oils so that many people and customers are able to actually purchase my product. So yeah, these are my new lotion containers, but these are another ones I will be using for summer. I have a new color for summer, but these are like, especially the pink one is going to be like my standard all year round containers. But when I do run out, or when it's like a specific season, like autumn, winter, or Christmas time, I will be switching up the colors for my lotion containers. But the ones I'm using this summer are like this neon green lime color, and they are so cute, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see them. I'm just grabbing them out the box. Of course, I'm a little bit shook myself, so I'm trying to see if I really like them at this point. But yeah, they're actually really cute. At first, when I purchased them, I wasn't sure if I was going to like them, but I was like, okay, I need something different for summer. I need something that's gonna give vibrant, colorful, playful vibes. So I went with this color, and oh my god, it's really grown on me because I don't think I actually love green as a color, but this specific color shade is so pretty. Like, it's so cute. Like, it's so gorgeous. Like, it's so cute. Like, I don't know why, but I think it looks so much better in person, and you can definitely see how beautiful it is without any product in there. And I think it's just so cute. So yeah, tell me what you think about them. Tell me if you think white lotion containers are of any use, or I should just get rid of them and just stick to like my pink and play around with other colors like the green. Yeah, let me know which color is your favorite, or what you think about the summer lotion containers. Here I am just looking for other containers and making sure I've got enough of everything. I do have other colors aside from white, pink and green that I will be releasing throughout the year. Yeah, I'm just counting everything, make sure I've got everything in there. Okay, last but not least are my new boxes. You might not be able to tell, but I am praying over these because this is the first time I'm seeing it and unboxing the whole thing. And I'm like, oh my God, I spent so much money on this. This better be good. And I am so pleased at how amazing this looks. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself because I did design this myself. I literally spent like the whole Christmas period, probably the entire month of December over into the new year, designing these boxes. Yeah, it took a lot of time and a lot of money to get here, but we're finally here. When I was designing this box, I thought about being able to put my lotion containers in there, being able to put my body butter body scrub containers in there, but I think I missed the mark by about 2 centimeters because when I do put my jars in there, both jars of the body butter body scrub, it's a little bit out by about 2 centimeters, but I think I'm still gonna go ahead and use them. Tell me what you think. I did make a mistake, but that's something to learn. I think I was probably just stressed out, and yeah, I'll be more careful next time. But I was able to fit in my body oil bundle. They come in 3s in there, so I will also be putting that in there if or when I get body oil orders in a bundle. But otherwise, I wanted to also incorporate the directions of the products at the back of the box, but I was only able to put the body lotion and body scrub body oil directions on the back because I wasn't sure about whether or not I was going to get the body oil containers, what size they were going to be, all of that stuff, and I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. And I was thinking about, oh my God, I was so confused. That's probably why I made so much mistake with this box. But at the end of the day, it looked amazing. I'm so proud. It looks so good, and I'm so excited for my summer collection, which again is launching on the 9th of May. But yeah, tell me what you think about the box. Is it cute? Is it workable? Yeah, I hope everything goes well. But yeah, so far so good. And yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Is there something you like, something you would change? If you have any advice for me, yeah, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.